Tá Kieran Fitzgerald rinnedas de pheileadóirí is rathúla sa tír. Agus Bhain an buaitige leanna club Cora Finne agus leanna chúnta Gaillimhe.
Kieran Fitzgerald, who's one of the players of the year.
He's this career which lasts 20 years, and during that time he goes through metamorphoses from the young cornerback, fast forwarding to the player who's playing for 90 minutes in an All-Ireland club final at the age of 39.
He's a proud Galway man. He's a community man. He's very much Cora Finne. If you cut him in half, I think before you see a drop of blood, you'd see green and gold.
Ach nuair a bhí sé mar a bhaithse, buaileadh buille persanta trom Kieran, buille a dúmba go héal bun Oscailt.
During that time, I was bitter with life. I was probably hard to handle for managers. Here's a guy that has potential, has done it in the past, but is not doing it now.
Seinnteoir, agus bhí sé mar Seinnteoir an am seo. Gan doubt fi rudí anna eachar dó.
Football was a double-edged sword. I needed to be involved in that sense of family because I was afraid to let that go. I was afraid of being alone, really, to be honest with you.